Hey, Rob Swierman here. This weekend we're attending the commercial real estate investing class. And if I can describe it in one word, it's really awesome. We have been touring properties today. It's really going beyond my expectation, meeting a ton of great people, listening to a ton of amazing stories. And I'm just so excited, and this is just day number one.
Yes. My name is Maria Monasterio. We're coming from Austin, Texas. And we're happy to be here. We have been learning a lot, connecting with amazing people. Also, the food, the venue where we are at is amazing. The logistics for the event was awesome. We were transported around and we are connecting with so amazing people that we are excited so far with what we have been seeing. So.
Yeah, Phil was just incredible. He's
Yes.
so patient with us. I imagine that he has to tell his stories a million times, but he explains that step by step, and we're taking so many notes. So it's a lot to digest, but we're learning a tremendous amount of new
Yeah.
information.
And also the team, all the team, the coaches that are here, they have been around talking to us and answering every single question. So we are very thankful for that.
Guys, if you ever have the opportunity to hang out with Phil, the team Shinoa, go and be here because this is where it happens.
Yes.